everyone, I'm really happy you're here because today we are starting our journey into Python programming. You've probably heard of Python, right? Because all of people talk about this. Maybe you think it's only for experts or people with lots of coding experience. Don't worry about it. Python is beginner friendly. Even if you've never coded before, you are the perfect place. End of this video, we will write first Python program. Let's begin. First of all, I want to talk about why Python. Why should we learn Python? People use it for creating website, mobile app, analyze data, games, work with artificial intelligence. The best part is simple, easy to understand. Trust me, Python is beginner friendly. What are we doing today? Here's what I will do in this video. First, we install Python in our system and we install and set up VS Code, place for write code. I recommend VS Code. And the last, write first Python program and run it. Let's start. Step 1, installing Python. First, go to the Python website. Just search in your browser Python for download. First link, click on it, download it for your system that matches your system. It's important. If you have Mac or Windows or Linux, you just download matches your system. I download it. We install that like any program. This one. Click on it. Anything is simple. One thing is important. Make sure check added Python to path. Don't forget to check this box. Super important. And then click install. We wait to install that and finish. After installation, we check if Python is installed correctly. For checking if Python installed correctly, open the cmd and command prompt and type python --version and click enter. If you see Python and number of version, you are all set. Great. Next step, we need a place to write our code. For example, PyCharm and VS Code. We can write online, for example, Google Cloud. But I recommend VS Code. Why VS Code? Because it's simple, it's easy, it's great for beginner. Here's how to install it. Search for Visual Studio Code in your browser, link official VS Code, and download it for your system. Once downloaded, you can install like any other program. It's easy. After that, you open the VS Code. Let's set it up for Python. On the left of the VS Code, we have some tabs. Important tab is extension and directory. In extension, we need install Python extension because it helps us write better code. Install Python extension, type Python and install first result. Click on it and install. It's easy. Don't worry about it. After that, we want to write first Python program. So we need a file Python. Well, create new file. We can create first directory for your project, but now we want to create one file. Create a new file. Click on it. Write name of my program. For example, test. For example, first. For example, one. We use main. Main.py. It's important because .py tells computer it's Python program. And then click enter so we can write Python program. And now type this line of code. This line tells Python print hello world on the screen. Finally, we want to run this program. To run your program, click here and click on the here run. Okay, run, or F5. So I save it, Control S, and click on it. My Python program run. And on the screen, see hello world. That's it. You wrote a first Python program. That's all for today. We install Python and VS Code and set it up for Python and wrote first Python program and run it. In the next video, we'll start learning more about variables and conditions and loop. Remember, if you have any question, feel free, ask me. We'll go step by step. Thanks for watching me. I'll see you next video. Let's keep coding.